Welcome back to our forest adventure. Today we're meeting Wolfgang the wolf, the coolest canine in the whole wild world, with a howl that can travel for miles. Wolfgang might look a little furry and fierce, but he's super smart and has some amazing features. Let's see what makes him a wolf-tastic friend. Did you hear that sound? That's Wolfgang letting out a howl! It's not just a scary noise, although it can sound a little spooky sometimes. Wolfgang's howl is like a super walkie-talkie. He uses it to talk to his pack, his wolf family. He can tell them things like, "Hey, dinner's ready," or "Let's go play." Can you try your best wolf howl? Wolfgang's howl is amazing, but his senses are even cooler. Look at that big black nose. It's like a super sniffer. He can smell yummy food like delicious rabbits from miles away. And those big floppy ears, they're like satellite dishes for sound. Wolfgang can hear tiny sounds, like a little mouse scurrying in the leaves, that we can't even hear at all. Super smell and super hearing. Wolfgang's a walking, sniffing, hearing super detector. Now let's see Wolfgang use all his amazing features on a forest adventure. Wolfgang's tummy is rumbling. He uses his super sniffer to find the delicious scent of a rabbit hiding in the bushes. He uses his amazing hearing to pinpoint exactly where the rabbit is hiding. Then, with a mighty howl, he calls his pack to join him. The wolf pack works together to chase the rabbit, using their super senses to track it down. Even though the rabbit is fast, Wolfgang's pack is faster, and they all enjoy a delicious dinner together. But being a wolf isn't just about hunting. Wolfgang loves spending time with his family, his pack. They play chase, wrestle, and even learn how to howl from their parents. It's important for wolves to stick together and help each other. Let's learn some fun facts about wolves with Wolfgang. Baby wolves are called pups, just like baby dogs. Did you know wolves are related to dogs? They're like our wild cousins.